everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make nasu no curry fry. It's curry-flavored eggplant fries. Such a simple dish, but the aroma of the curry makes it so appetizing. It's great for a meal, but it's also great as a snack for beer. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this nasu no curry fry, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 3 eggplant, half a cup of flour, all-purpose flour or cake flour, 1 cup of panko breadcrumb, some lemon juice, SMB curry powder, salt and pepper, and mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available. I'm making the dipping sauce first. 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, some lemon juice, just random amount. Then 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Give it a good mix. And the sauce is ready. Let's make the batter. In the bowl of flour, about a teaspoon of salt and pepper, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, and half a cup of water. Give it a mix. And the batter is ready. Let's cut the eggplant. Cut the top off. And cut it into 4 long way. If your eggplant is bigger than this, you can cut it into 6 or 8, then cut the lengths into half. Let's put them in the bowl of batter. Same for the other eggplant. Coat the eggplant with the batter. Then bread them. Okay, all breaded, so it's time to fry them. Heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium to medium-high heat. It's about 1 inch from the bottom of the frying pan. Let's put the eggplant gently into the oil. Try not to touch them until the outside is set. Fry it for a little over a minute. And when you touch them, you can feel it, it's nice and crispy. Then flip it over. And fry the other side for another minute or so. Once it's nice and crispy on both sides, take them out and drain. Before moving on to the next batch, make sure to remove all the bits in the frying pan. Okay, all fried and it's done. Let's try one. It's so crispy. Itadakimasu. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Nasu no curry fry is the side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. How about oyako don here, which will also cover the main. Bean sprout miso soup or any soup you like here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!